Welcome to our deep dive into one of the most critical questions facing our planet today. Is the Gulf Stream slowing down? In this video, we'll explore how this powerful ocean current acts as a climate regulator, the alarming signs indicating a slowdown, and the impact of melting ice caps on this vital system. We'll also discuss the implications for global weather patterns and marine life, as well as the latest research and technological advances that aim to shed light on this potential climate tipping point. Join us as we uncover what the future may hold if this essential current continues to wane. 1. The Gulf Stream. A climate regulator. The Gulf Stream is like a giant conveyor belt, transporting warm water from the Gulf of Mexico across the Atlantic Ocean to Europe. This movement of water is crucial for maintaining the climate balance. It keeps the European climate milder than it would otherwise be at those latitudes. Imagine it as a warm blanket that keeps Europe cozy during the winter months. Without this ocean current, winter in Europe could become much harsher, fundamentally altering the way we live. 2. Signs of the Gulf Stream slowing down. Scientists have observed changes in the Gulf Stream's speed and strength. Recent studies suggest that it may be slowing down, although the extent and permanence of this change are still debated. Instruments in the ocean and satellite data give us a glimpse into these shifts. Like a car running out of gas, the Gulf Stream might not be as powerful as it once was, and researchers are trying to figure out why this is happening. 3. The role of melting ice caps. One of the suspected culprits behind the Gulf Stream's slowdown is the melting of ice caps, particularly in Greenland. As ice melts, it releases fresh water into the ocean, disrupting the delicate balance of salt and temperature that drives the Gulf Stream. This is akin to pouring a bucket of cold water into a warm bath. It changes the temperature and dynamics of the water. Researchers are closely monitoring the ice melt to understand its impact on the Gulf Stream. 4. Implications for weather patterns. A slowing Gulf Stream can lead to drastic changes in weather patterns. For instance, it could result in more extreme weather events, such as heat waves in Europe or harsh winters in the eastern United States. The Gulf Stream acts as a thermostat for the climate, and any changes to its flow can lead to unpredictable and potentially severe weather. This is why scientists are so concerned. The consequences could be far-reaching. 5. The potential impact on marine life. Marine ecosystems depend on the Gulf Stream for their survival. A slowdown could alter the habitats of various marine species, affecting fish populations and the livelihoods of those who depend on them. Like a bustling highway that suddenly experiences a traffic jam, the Gulf Stream's slowdown could disrupt the delicate balance of marine life. This disruption could have a domino effect, impacting the entire oceanic food chain. 6. Research and technological advances. To better understand the Gulf Stream's behavior, scientists are using advanced technology, including satellites and underwater sensors. These tools provide vital data that help researchers piece together the puzzle of the Gulf Stream's dynamics. It's like having a bird's-eye view of the ocean, allowing scientists to monitor changes in real time. These technological advances are crucial in predicting and preparing for potential shifts in the Gulf Stream. 7. Global climate consequences. The Gulf Stream's influence extends beyond the Atlantic. If it slows down significantly, it could have global climate implications. This ocean current is part of a larger system that affects weather patterns worldwide. Like a ripple effect, changes in the Gulf Stream could lead to shifts in climate systems across the globe, impacting agriculture, economies, and ecosystems. Understanding these potential consequences is vital for global climate preparedness. 8. What researchers are saying. Researchers are cautious but concerned. They emphasize the need for continued monitoring and more research to fully understand the Gulf Stream's behavior. While some scientists argue that a slowdown is part of a natural cycle, others warn of human-induced climate change as a contributing factor. The consensus is clear: keeping a close eye on the Gulf Stream is essential. The stakes are high, and the world is watching closely as scientists work to unravel this complex issue. In conclusion, the possibility of the Gulf Stream slowing down presents a significant climate challenge. This ocean current is a vital component of our planet's climate system, and any changes to its flow could have profound implications. While the research continues, understanding the Gulf Stream's dynamics is more critical than ever.